So you're thinking about making a move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, but you're really looking for a place that has some land. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a unique property, and it may or may not be available when you're actually watching this, but it's on an acre, it's got a house, it's got a mechanic shop and living quarters, and it's really an amazing property that I can't wait to show you. And if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything that there is to know about living in Tulsa, Oklahoma or our surrounding suburbs, then tap that little bell notification and subscribe so you can be the first to know what's going on in our local Tulsa area real estate market. I'm Sabrina Shaw. I'm a local real estate agent here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and my team and I get calls every single day from people just like you who need help buying or selling their house in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And let me tell you, we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days, 90 days, 9 months, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email, jump on a Zoom call, and we would love to help you make that seamless move to Tulsa, Oklahoma. And here too, in this property, it is rural, and you can hear, I don't know if you can hear it or if you'll hear it in the video, but there's roosters, there's goats, all kinds of stuff going on. We smell some fire right now. Someone's doing maybe a burn pile or barbecuing. But take a look at this property. So we are in Terlton, Oklahoma. Did you even know where that was?
I have not. I actually thought that you were mispronouncing it.
Where did you think that we were going?
I thought you were going to Turley, but I thought maybe you just said it wrong.
Okay, so Terlton is a small town, and I had to look it up too, but it's only 30 minutes from Tulsa.
Yeah, it wasn't a bad drive at all.
Yeah, 25 minutes from Sapulpa. So I can't wait to show you the property.
I can't wait.
Yeah, it's so unique, and there's so many things to love about it. But we are really close to shopping, we're close to restaurants. Again, 30 minutes from Tulsa, 25 minutes from Sapulpa, so close to Lake Keystone, just outside of Manford. So I cannot wait to show you this property. It's so unique, it's got so many good things, and I know you're going to love it.
I can't wait.
So this house is a custom built from 2010, has an insulated metal roof. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and when you go in, you can just feel the difference of the quality. The house is so charming, and the garage is seriously a man's dream. When you see it, let's take a look. It's huge. You've got your door to go out to the patio, and then this bathroom. So this shop is actually an iconic spot in Terlton. It's a commercial mechanic shop with living quarters. So I'm telling you, the setup is like a dream for somebody, you know, to have the cute house and then wait till you see the living quarters in the shop. I mean, it's impressive.
I like it.
All right, let's take a look. So here's the living quarters. It's 966 square feet. We've got the cute kitchen. It's got 1 bedroom. It's actually got 2 full bathrooms. Very clean, plenty of space. Again, sturdy. Okay, and this is a mechanic shop. This business was used in the auto repair industry and is iconic and highly regarded in the area. The masonry building is 2,000 square feet with a composition roof and concrete slab floors, complete with anchor pods, two 16 by 10 overhead doors, slab driveway, gravel parking. The shop is piped throughout for air and comes with an industrial air compressor. The shop has a customized paint room complete with exhaust and special task lighting, as well as built-in workbenches and cabinetry for storage. The shop is fan-cooled and heated with a pellet stove and gas heater. There's an office and restroom as well. Adjoining the office is living quarters, 966 square feet, which consists of 1 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, and an open floor plan for living, dining, and kitchen. Tons of built-ins for storage. There are 2 window units that are heat and air, as well as a pellet stove and propane wall heater. The living quarters is masonry and wood siding and composition roof. Well water and septic tank are shared with the shop. Both are well insulated. There's an RV carport, 28 by 12 by 12, composition roof, gated with gravel drive. All buildings are set on 1 acre. While the business is on the highway, the entrances of all buildings are off of 5750 road, thus making it much quieter. There's so much to this property that you can fall in love with. If you want to see this home in person, then reach out to me and we'll schedule a private tour.